Michael Chad Hawkins with Sticky Labs. Wanted to create a quick custom video for you to give you some tips how to increase your online presence and how we can help you grow your business significantly. I think you would agree that having a strong online presence these days is paramount, especially in a very competitive business like your own. And so we've worked with I don't know how many attorneys around the country to do exactly what I'm going to show you here in the next couple minutes. And hopefully it'll give you a good idea of what we can do for you. So just taking a quick look at your website. I'm on your homepage. And first thing you have to understand about how Google works and how websites are ranked. The number one thing that you have to account for is content, and specifically authoritative content. When the Google bots look at a website, what they want to be able to do is they want to be able to read content that is going to give someone the best search connection, the best result when they search on Google. So in this case, I'm searching, could be family attorneys, could be injury attorneys in Pueblo. And depending on the content on your homepage and on the rest of your site is going to determine if Google thinks it's the best fit for that search result, and that's how we get rankings. So as you can see here, here's your home page. You have a little bit of content, but not near enough. What you really want is at least 1,000 words of what we call authoritative content on your home page. And what that means is it's not only content, but it's content that speaks directly to what it is you want people to know about you. And so it's using specific keywords, but it has to be organic. Google bots are very, very smart, and you can't just throw up a bunch of words. So that's number one. And then building out that content on the other pages, depending on all the services that you offer. The other thing that is very important is how your website is connected to other websites on the web that Google values. And this is what's called citations. And we have tools here that we can take a look at the citations for different websites. And it's not just having citations, it's having citations or links to other websites that have a lot of value in Google's eyes. And those are the two main things that will help you rank a site. And so going back to, this is the original search I did, family law attorney, Pueblo, Colorado. This is page 2, I believe. And so you are in the middle of page 2. I'm sure you probably know some of the stats. 75, 80% of people, when they go to do a search, this is the first page, don't get past not only the first page of Google searches, but about 70% of them don't even get past the top 3. And so what we do is we work with attorneys to rank their website in the top 3 spots in Google. So what you have is this is what's called a map pack, which you see a paid ad here from the Redding law firm. I can also show you what your competitors are spending for these ads, and it's sometimes pretty mind-boggling. And there's a much better way to do that, and that's to do it organically. And then you have 3 that are in the map pack, which we can show you how to get in one of those top 3 spots. And then these are the organic listings. These are the listings based on your search engine optimization that we can get you here. The difference between being on page 2 and on the top of page 1 is significant. The other thing that we like to do is take advantage of the free social media platforms, whether it's Facebook or Yelp or Foursquare, and building those free sites out for you because it really helps increase your reach on the web, and if it's done properly, it can significantly help in even increasing your ranking here on the Google searches. So these are a couple strategies that we use. I can go much more in depth with you. I'd love to sit down and talk with you. We're looking for an attorney to work with in Pueblo, if we can sit down for 30 minutes, I think I can show you how we can get you some pretty significant results in increasing your business. Look forward to speaking with you soon, and have a great weekend.